Hi everyone, welcome to Tarla Dalal's kitchen. I'm Arya Dalal, Tarla Dalal's granddaughter, and she's my friend
Tara Wadhwani.
Today we're going to be making coconut ball cookies.
So we start by adding crushed coconut biscuits and some butter.
Then we add some orange juice and some powdered sugar. Then we give it a good mix. Now it's mixed well, so let's go to the next step.
I'm gonna take a little of a portion in my palm and roll it out.
And now I'm going to coat it with coconut. Be careful because it's very soft. I put it on a plate. In the same way, we roll all the remaining ones.
So they've been rolled now, as you can see.
So let's put them in the fridge for half an hour. The cookies are now ready.
Go to your kitchen and make it. Please let us know how you like it.
Download the Tarla Dalal app on your Apple and Android devices. Follow us on the Facebook and tarladalal.com.